Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, I have already provided you a lot of informations, ideas and guidelines related with the topic. Just after providing a lot of facts related with the title, I am sure that all of you succeed to understand the chapter easily. Today, I think to select few extract-based questions for you. So first of all, I will have to select extract along with its solution. After then, few problems for you. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously focus my today's videos and follow me. Extract based questions. Now read the extract given below carefully and answer the questions that follow. Extract number 1 for you. Rush hour crowds jostle for position on the underground train platform. A slight girl looking younger than her 17 years was nervous yet excited as she felt the vibrations of the approaching train. It was her first day at the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London and daunting enough for any teenager fresh from a Scottish farm. But this aspiring musician faced a bigger challenge than most. She was profoundly deaf. Now, my dear students, on the basis of these extract lines, try to answer these questions. Question number first for you. What happens in the underground train platforms where it is the rush hour? Now second question, like, why was Evelyn excited? Third question here, what was the biggest challenge for her? And the last question, as question number 4 here, find a word from the passage that means famous. Now, my dear students, on the basis of the theme, facts or summary that I have already provided you, I am sure that all of you succeed to answer these all the questions correctly. But for your support, I would like to provide the answers related with these all questions. As for the first answer, when it is the rush hour, the crowds jostle for places in the underground train platforms. Now the second answer here, Evelyn was excited as she felt the vibrations of the approaching train. Now the third question and its answer here, like, the bigger challenge for her was that being greatly deaf, she was aspiring to be a musician of international fame. Regarding the last answer, famous is same like as prestigious here. Now my dear students, I try to select few problems for you. Like problem number first here for you. Evelyn Glennin's loss of hearing and had been gradual. Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong when the 8-year-old Evelyn was waiting to play the piano. They called her name and she didn't move. I suddenly realized she hadn't heard, says Isabel Glennin. For quite a while, Evelyn managed to cancel her growing deafness from friends and teachers. But by the time she was 11, her marks had deteriorated and her headmistress argued her parents to take her to a specialist. It was then discovered that her hearing was severely impaired as a result of gradual nerve damage. They were advised that she should be fitted with hearing aids and sent to a school for the deaf. Everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn. Now, on the basis of these stacked lines, try to answer these questions. First question for you here. When did Evelyn's mother realize that Evelyn didn't hear? Second question for you. What two things happened when Evelyn was 11? Third question here for you. What had impaired Evelyn's hearing? And the last question for you, like question number 4 for you. Find a word from the passage which means found out. Now, step number 3 here for second problem for you. As for music, she explains it powers, it truth, every part of my body. It tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. By leaning against the drums, she can feel the resonance flowing into her body. On a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibration passes through her bare feet and up her legs. Now, few questions related with states. Like question number 4, first for you. How does Evelyn hear the music? Second question for you. What happens to Evelyn's body when she listens to music? The third question for you. What does Evelyn do before performing and why? As the last question for you, find a word from the passage which means sensations. Now, my dear students, I am sure that all of you could succeed to answer all the questions correctly. Next day, we shall have to start a new topic. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.